So tí go gatainna táid leathnach céad is a sé inniu an lúna tágain agus tá muidna ag déanamh ag sciáil san Idáil an scéal san Idáil, so skiing in Italy. Okay, so like last week, what I'll do is I'll read down through it so that you please read with me. I mean, if you can read with me, that would be the best thing. And in your own houses, in your own rooms or whatever. And then I'll go back over it and we'll talk about the meanings of everything, all right? So, bhí an clan séir sciáil san Idáil. D'éirigh siad go mach an céad maidin, chuir siad a lán éadaí orthu, chuaigh siad go dtí bialann ag bun an tléfa. All right? Dis siad bricfásta bra fallón. Bhí croissant agus glunne sú aráiste ag na páistí. De daddy, ar mummy, daddy agus Antine Orla rulla den cáis agus leomás. Chuir siad úla, bananí agus bara seachláide sna málaí. Aráig lógan sin go dtí an scola sciála. Chuaigh na páistí scoil amháin agus chuaigh na daoine fásta scoil eile. Chuir siad bútaisí sciála orthu agus thosaigh siad ag chleachta. Tar éis tamil bhí siad ábalta sciáil go maith. Bhí an spórtachu. Okay? So, nuair a bhí an rang sciála thart, chuaigh gach aine ag sciáil le chéile. Hí na páistí chathaoir amháin agus hí na tuismitheoirí chathaoir eile. Bhí an grín ag tainmh agus bhí an sléamh bán le sneachta. Suas an sléamh lo go léir. Seo é an saoil. Is bralam a bheith ag sciáil. Right. Nuair a thric an chlan bar an tléfa, hurling siad den na chathaoireacha. Thosaigh siad ag sciáil. Bhí na páistí aus, ach bhí daddy beagán nervíiseach. Go toban, tháinig ceomhrán a nús an sléamh. Málaigh na páistí. Lean daddy ag sciáil ach ní acha sé an crann os a chóir tá brónar. Bhuail sé an crann agus chuaigh sé in arda san air. Hit sé an talamh agus dimigh scí uthi. Síos an sliamh leis an scí agus síos le daddy in dhiag. Lean rasa é. Faoi dhearra stop daddy, stop rosa in aice leis. Ní raibh daddy ábalta teach den sléamh agus bhí pean ina chos. Ní raibh duine ná deora le feiceáil in éon áit. Bhí fón póca ag rasa agus chuir sé gléach ar bhamí tá brónar. An sin thug sé píos a seachláide do dhéadaí. Tar éis cúpla nóméad tháinig na gádaí sneachta. Okay. Níl mummy rosásta an sin. Bhí sintán acu. Chuir si daddy ar an sintán agus aráig lo síos an sléamh. Bhí mummy an bhórtha agus bhí chos daddy ceart golóir. Bí cuairma ag sciáil an chéad uair eile ar sa mummy. An lá dár gcionn chuaigh an chlán ag sciáil arís, ach dan siad go léir le chéile. Ag deirán le bhí siad tíirseach trécha ach sonna sásta. So guys, you can go and read that with me again if you want, or just read it yourselves and then listen again to it. But I'll just go back over it now and we'll look at the actual vocabulary. Okay, so bhí an clan séir sciáil san Idáil. So the family were on a skiing trip in Italy. D'éirigh siad go muc an céad maidin tá brónar. So they got up early. Go muc is early an céad maidin on the first morning. Chuir siad a lán éadaí orthu, so they put a lot of clothes on. Agus cúd siad go dtí bialann ag bun an tléfa. Okay, so they went to the restaurant at the bottom of the mountain. Okay, right. Ditch she'd breakfast to bra falons. They ate a lovely, healthy breakfast. Healthy. If we cross on August, I don't know how healthy it is now, but anyway, if we cross on August suaráiste ag na páistí, agus vi mommy, daddy, agus Auntie Orla rulla the cosh agus liamás. So they ate rolls of cheese and cold meats. Cuirsiad ula banani agus bar chocoladas na bhálaí. So they brought off the bananas and the chocolate bars and the apples with them in their bags. Arai glow and sin gadi on skull skiala. So off they went together then to the school, the ski school. Cuig na páistí skull aháin agus cuig na daoine fásta skull ella. So the children went to one school and the grown-ups, na daoine fásta, went to another school. Chuirsiad búta sí skiala orthu, they put on ski boots, agus hosig she de clockta. So clockta means to practice. Alright? Taréis Tamil, after a while, vi she dabba to ski all goma. Vi on sport to who. Nura vi an wrong ski all a heart, cuig gach anya ag ski all lekela. So when the class was over, the ski class was over, everybody went skiing together. Hína páistí chahir aháin, the kids sat on one chair, and hína tishmahori chahir ella, and the parents sat on another. Bhí an greenig tanamh agus bhí an sléamh bán na snachta. Suas an sléamh lo galéir. So the sun was shining and the mountain was white with snow, and off they went all together up the mountain. Okay, so Seo é an sail means this is the life. It's bralum of egg skial. I love going skiing. Okay, so here we go now. Oh, you'll be able to see. Yeah. Okay, so Nurahrish an Clon bar on Tlefa. So that means when the family reached the top of the mountain, hurling sheet then Chahiraka. Now hurling sheet then Chahiraka means they got down off the chairs, or they disembarked is the official word, but they got down off the chairs. Hosig sheed eg skial, they started to ski. Vi na páistí house, they were excellent. Ach vi daddy biogan nervishok, so he was a little bit nervous. Gutubban, suddenly, hánig kiovran anuas, a mist or a fog came down Erin Shlave on the mountain. Agus maulig na páistí, that means the children slowed down. Okay, so a fake arm said, oh, look at me, I hate the ski, look at this, I'm brilliant. So here it says, Lan daddy ag skial achni akashe an crown o sachor. So daddy kept skiing, but he didn't see the tree in front of him. Vúil an crown, he hit the tree, agus cuig sé in ard san air. So he went high up in the air. Hit sé an talamh, he fell on the ground, and agus dimig ski uhi, and the skis went from under him. Suas an sléamh, an sias an sléamh leis, agus leis an ski, down the mountain went the ski, agus sias le daddy in a yeg, and down went daddy after it. Lan Rasa A. So Rasa followed it afterwards. Okay. Fui Yera stopped daddy. In the end, daddy stopped. Stop Rasa in Aklesh. Rasa stopped beside him. Ní raibh daddy ábal to chocht an sléamh, agus bhí pein in a chus. So daddy wasn't able to go up the mountain, and there was a pain in his foot. Ní raibh duine ná diori le feicáil in éonáid. So duine ná dori is a kind of a way of saying there wasn't sight nor sound of anyone. I've written there wasn't a soul to be seen or deserted, sight nor sound of anyone in éonáid, anywhere. Okay? Bhí phone póca ag Rasa agus chuir sé gléach ar bhamí. So there was, excuse me, Rasa had a mobile phone agus he rang Mammy. An sin hug sé piece of chocolate the yaddy, so then he gave him a piece of chocolate to keep him going. Tar éis cúpla nóméid tháinig na Gardaí sneachta. Alright, so Gardaí sneachta. I didn't know there was snow police, but there obviously is. Alright, so after a few minutes, the snow police came. Now, so here we are. Mammy doesn't, tá she on crust there fod. Mammy doesn't look very happy. So, bhí sintán acu, they had a stretcher. Cuir siad Daddy ar an sintán, agus a rá gló sios an sléamh. So, they put Daddy on the stretcher and down they went down the mountain. Bhí Mommy an bhóra ach bhí cos Daddy ceart galore. So Mammy was very worried, but Daddy's foot was fine. Bí cuaramach ag sciol an céad uair eile. So that means be careful skiing the next time, said Mommy. An lá darchion, the next day, chuaigh an clán ag sciol arís. The family went skiing and ach dan siad go léir le chéile, but they stayed together. Ag deire an lé, bhí siad tíirseachtaíochta ach sanna sásta. So at the end of the day, they were exhausted but very happy, sanna sásta. Right, so have a read over it again yourselves if you need to. But so what you're going to do, guys, is you're just going to do 5 of the questions now today. Okay, I'm going to kind of give you less work to be doing than you were doing. Okay, so just do the first 5 here. That's what you'd normally probably do inside in class. So let's have a look at them. So cén tír in a raibh an clán ar saoire. So cén tír means country. So cén tír in a raibh an clán ar saoire. So what country were the family going to on holidays? Cén sort bhricks fásta a disheed. So cén sort, what kind of a breakfast did they have? Céir a rinne siad sa scoil sciála. So cad a rinne siad. What did they do in the scoil sciála? In the ski school. An raibh an aimsir goma? Was the weather good? Car hurling an clan den cahir. So car means where. So car. So car, where did they disembark? Off the family disembark off the chairs. Okay, so I'm going to leave those for you. Do those now today. Have another read over the story. Get used to the folklore. I'm going to give you your folklore as well. This is your folklore for today. I'll send it out. I'll put it up on the Padlet. And these are your spellings. Okay, so some of the spellings, guys, are from the story. And then some of them are just more kind of Cahavimshire ones like Luke Classa and Pel Gaeilge and those ones at the end there. Some of them the more unusual ones that we mightn't have the Irish to. Okay, so off you go, guys. You're going to learn that. Slán.